how to fix a rattling door. So first off, we just need to remove the plate. There we go. And the next thing we need to do is trim it back using a Stanley knife to the same level as the rattle was. So I'm going to put in a little notch that way, and a little notch that way, and then I'm going to trim back about the same amount. So let's take off about that amount. Just tidy it up a bit. There we go. Then the next thing I wish to do is I'm just going to get a match. Let's snap this one in half. Poke it in the old hole. And just give her a tap in. Level her off, or use the Stanley knife to trim it back if it's sticking out too far. And if you haven't got any matchstick, just get a piece of hard wire from a bit of spare electrical. Instead of using the matchstick, just fold that over, bend it down tight, and then punch that through the hole with a hammer as well. That'll work just as well as your matchstick. Okay, so we need to work out where we're going to put this. So you get your bracket, slide it back to the position you want it in, work out the middle of your hole. I like to give mine a little tap with a hammer just to make sure it's seating it properly. I part screw that, but not fully yet. Next, I've used new screws rather than trying to deal with the old ones. And yeah, this one's just getting the back edge of where that hole is. I'm just going to tap that in slightly at angle and let it bend around. And let that go flat. You can see we've got a nice straight edge there. Okay, so let's try now. No movement in there whatsoever. That is not going to rattle in the wind anymore. Job done.